Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class we are going to draw a flywheel. Okay, let's select this plane and draw a circle with diameter 80 mm. Okay, 80 mm done. Now exit the workbench, give a pad command with the thickness 6 mm. Okay, right, this is the main part. Again let's select the plane. Okay, here draw a circle with diameter 34. Okay, what is diameter? 34. Now exit the workbench with 3 mm thickness. Use pad. This is 3 mm. Okay, preview. Right, done. Now again select this plane. Here draw a circle on this origin and give diameter, it is 4.3. okay, 4.3 diameter, and give a value from circle sense point to axis. Here it is, give the length 13 mm. Now exit the workbench, select the pocket. Should be 6 mm. Preview, reverse direction. This is so this pocket. This is the pocket we require, 9 mm. We previously were given 6 mm, that's why we didn't saw a complete hole. Okay, now select the circular pattern. Here I want 4 holes. Here select the complete ground. Okay, here object to pattern is pocket, and reference element here I need this axis. Okay, 4 holes. Preview. Okay, right, I got it now here. Now again I want to select this plane, because I want to make a small hole here with diameter 12.5, I think. Yes, 12.5. Now exit the workbench, the pocket command with 9 mm. Okay, right. So here it is. Okay, and we need a step cut. Okay, here's with this diameter circle with diameter 34 mm. Let's exit the workbench, give the pocket with depth 3 mm. Okay, this is the part. Okay, this is the flywheel what we required. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.